songs and I'ma tell you why. If it ain't banging, it ain't mine. So fuck the other side. Don't rob me. Yeah. Bizzle, blow one nigga. Hold up. Hey, iceberg line. All I need is one blue dolphin to be in my vibe. I don't need no lick, bitch, I'm in my high. I make it rain, you get off in my ride. You the other side and you know what I do with that. Girl, I'm live and I can't even lie. You can tell by my pants that I'm ready right now. Don't ride or die, five by my side. I'm on that cushion, I'm liver than the Y. Stick outside, Glock on deck. I take one and roll on X. I wear diamonds and sell Cocos and VIP in the back of.
Good morning. Oh, afternoon. Good afternoon, you two. Look who here, man. Hey, look who here. We got the boys here, man. But check out. Y'all see that boy back on the road now. Y'all see that boy back on the road.
Special shout out to Josh, dog. Hey. He came through, he helped, man. Big help. Hey, so for that reason, bro, you gotta hit that subscribe button and like the video, man. I'm back on the road because of him.
But hey, hit that subscribe and that, you know what I'm saying? Or I'm gonna kidnap your kids. I don't give a fuck.
What?
It is what it is. All right, now we gotta hit him with the cold start. So you feed me.
You not recording?
Yeah, it's alright. Smell like E85? Look, man, that's what I be waiting for. We got the whole gang out here, bro. The whole gang came out, about to leave the crib, so let's do it. Hard, bro. Look at them boys, man. Hold on. When we make that left, y'all gonna be able to see. Look at them boys.
I must be made of memory foam, cause I remember how they lied on me. I could've died when grandma died on me. It's cold out here, trying to keep my soul out here. And I think of when they tried to break my wheel, but I kept on cruising. Made it off these pills, I said hallelujah. No one could help, I said hallelujah. Cause all the glory is down to no one else. Trying to keep my faith, these days are such a struggle. I lost myself the day I watched my daddy leave my mom.
Get the rollers we need. Left my car there. I'm about to jump into their car real quick, get some nice shots. Tell me what y'all think of these shots we about to get.
Are you alive? Nigga, I ain't never been a yes man. Are you gonna die? You can get murdered on webcam. I don't get tired. Sweat through a headband. You might look alive. That's cause you don't really know you a dead man. This is God's plan, someone stop me. I've been sent here from Illuminati. Evil scriptures written on my body. Me and Satan pull up in a red Ferrari. Don't be trying to put your fucking arm around me. 44 shots traumatizing from the 45. Hit 44 more carbon copies. Then you kamikazes, that's for everybody. Mama, poppy, sister, brother, cousin, uncle, auntie. This is not Versace, this is hot hibachi. This is Hiroshima, this is Nagasaki. I'm a hot Gandhi, a fucking humanoid Anunnaki. With plenty hammers when I'm riding shoddy. Better use your manners when you talk about me. Ain't too hard to find me. I've been killing niggas till ain't nothing left though. Tryna look sicker than a strep though. Spend a bitch wanna give me pesos. Then myself I got I was next though. Spit out your crib right after I clean out your shit and then put all of your fucking money in the escrow. Fuck what you saying, I'm not the one that you play with. I think they really was thinking I was the next though. You thought wrong or you all gone? All done. I just might bring back Don Juan. I just might bring back Sean John. Tell P Diddy that I'm on one. I'ma beat it down with a do-rag. Pussy ate out, this a popcorn. If I fuck with you, that's too bad. How you played out like the dancer. Ain't no bygones be bygones. I should murder niggas when I buy guns. How you get stretched like nylon. This is my band, I'm Dylon. All I wanna do is just drop bombs. And you cheerleading niggas with the pom-poms. My Jamaican bitch got socks on. Every time I hit it, she be like, wagwan. Pick the piper, pick the pepper, and I pick the pressure. Pick a fighter, pick a side, put you in a stretcher. Pick the piper, pick the banana, put it together. Started popping at the people, they bout to meet the Beretta. Better meet the metal, I'm in need of a heater to measure. Put you deeper than was deeper to see of the desert. I was scheming while I'm creeping like 50 feet of the jet. Niggas speed hit the pedal and put my feet in the metal, goddamn. 508 all on my side, they gon' ride, nigga, this a homicide. Oh my god, I said I was gon' retire, bitch I lied, I ain't got no fucking job, this my life, this my way. All of y'all wishy and washy, all y'all my kids in the car seat. I take my dime to hibachi, we do 6'9" like Tekashi. Line in the sand, too much time in your hands. I think y'all need to find you a hobby. God got a plan, hope that God holds your hand. I think I'm about to catch me a body. Tell all my teachers that I said I'm back on my G shit and I'm coming back to get even. I went on tour and got paid, now I'm back in the region. I let off this Mac for no reason. You were not witnessing greatness, I'm practically preaching. And this is the passion of Jesus. And all you basic motherfuckers are lacking achievement. And I just been laughing and geeking. Back to business, I got mad intentions. I ain't perfect, I done made some bad decisions. But it's competition, I'm a savage winning. You can have the digits, I'm a mathematician. I don't see you niggas, I've been lacking vision. You been acting different, I've been acting distant. I'ma do some shit to bring me mad attention. You gon' do some shit that send me back to prison. Whoa, this is uncomfortable. You just keep putting your feet in the fire. I think my gun got a crush on you, boy. You about to meet your secret admirer. And you do shit you don't wanna do. I do that shit just to keep me inspired. I used to
outside now. We found a spot. We outside. We found a spot, but it's not gonna last too long, man. There's no way this parking lot gonna last too long. Cause look, Jew-ass already pulled in, lighting up the whole spot. We know they got security. They just ain't here yet. So, fuck it. We'll make it work. What happened?
So he gotta say something.
Hey, I still got the video with the question I asked you yesterday. What body you taking? Okay. Alright, right? So you in a relationship. The person you're in a relationship with, they switch souls. Your mom and the person you dating switch souls. To free them, you have to have sex with one of them. To free both of them. That's what I'm saying. So your mom in your partner body and your partner in your mom body. So who you fucking? Who you say yesterday?
My mom body, but it's my girl.
So
did I do that?
he said he fucking his girl because his girl is mom body, but it's your mom body.
Yeah.
You're not gonna forget that though. Like even when she switched back, it's like
that's what I'm saying.
It's gonna be my girl conscious though.
I told him I'm picking my girl body. Cause my mom gonna know what I do to these bitches.
Well, then everyone loses their minds.
Hey, so my mom, that's what you was sneaking out for? Hey, come up here real quick. You're not getting out of this either, bro. Your girl and your mom body, your mom and your girl body, to free them both. Who you fuck? You gotta fuck one of them to free them.
You said what?
Your girl is in your mom's body, so her mind is in your mom body, and your mom is in your girl body. So you have to free them, and they both gonna die if you don't pick. So you either having sex with your mom body, but your girl is in there. So she's thinking your girl is in her mind.
So
your girl is in your
girl is my mom body.
Yeah.
But my mom body's in my girl.
No, your girl. So your mom body and your girl body both there, right? But your mom is possessed by like your girl, and your girl possessed by your mom. You gotta free them, so you have to have sex with one of them.
I'm hitting the mama.
I'm gonna kill myself. I'm going to kill myself, and it's your fault.
You hitting the mom? Hell no.
That's my mama body.
Hell no.
Thank you, bro. Bro, what y'all think? What y'all think? Let me have your girl. If it's your girl with your mom conscious, bro, it's basically like hitting your mama. Exactly.
I'm gonna tell these niggas the same thing I said yesterday. Matter of fact, hold this, dude. Hold this real quick. Hold this real quick so y'all can see the whole body. I'm running a train on both them bitches.
Jesus Christ.
I'm lighting all them hoes out. No, I'm done. I'm done.
Turn the control off. That boy flying that bitch. Yeah, he went crazy. Yo, he went crazy. Hey, he went crazy.
man, what y'all think, man? Your boy back, your boy trying a little something, man. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. Hey, we about to see what Brandon could do real quick. Turn the caption, turn the goddamn traction control off, spin them hoes, man. That's what we about, so let's see what's up. Don't hit my shit, though. Oh, that nigga tire gonna fly off. Okay.
You gotta turn it off and look at charger. You gotta turn it off and look at charger.
No, he know the secret.
Be careful, bro. I'm gonna get no stability control on. Oh, damn, stand one, stand two.
Yeah, everything gone. Just go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah. He gotta do manual. My heart.
Bro, that shit different, bro.
That boy nervous. He said, look, I like recording motherfuckers sliding, but
do the burnout. I gotta cut that shit back off.
let me see. Oh.
Yeah. Ain't no one colder than me. I'm straight from the mud. I got me a plug and now I be rolling with Meech. You think you the shit, I think you a bitch. Now go ahead and call the police. These niggas a trip, your homie's a snitch. You probably be home in a week. I hit up Tori and told him I know you don't like me, but fuck it, I'm over the beef. Told him we could be friends, invited him over and gave him some soda and bleach. They said, Johnny, you lost it. I told him they soft. Now go take a stroll on the beach. Nigga, I got the sauce. Bitch, I'm a dog. Just don't get a hold of my leash. Yeah, nigga, back to the bluff. Johnny, get back to the bus. If I do not make a few million and shit, I might just go back to the hustle. I got me some product and I ain't gon' hide it. I might just start trapping in public. I might go to prison and free all my niggas. That's word that Harriet Tubman. Tired of you asking me questions, I'm sick of it. Why you keep shutting shit down on the internet? Why do you have so much talent and benefits? Why you keep dropping your album in increments? ADHD is a social experiment. Who pay attention the most when they're hearing it? You cannot stop it, there's no one interfering it. This is my moment and no one is sharing it. Nigga, I'm just getting started. I hit on my targets, I promise I'm very defiant. If I do not win the Grammy this year, then I blow that bitch up and then everyone dying. I think all my shit is hot. If everyone think that it's not, then everyone lying. I hope my shit doesn't flop, cause I put a gun in your head, make everyone bite. I'm digging the hole, you get buried inside. Or you get buried in silence. The day that I die, I get buried in diamonds. I'm killing you niggas, you barely surviving. I think I'm so high, I can marry a pilot. I'm Area 51, Alien Island. My UFO flying is scary and violent. I shut down a planet, you hearing the sirens. I'm very excited and you shouldn't bother. John, I got too many problems.
We at the
I told that
gas
little bitch
station
that I'm
before
down
we
with the
get
threesome
kicked
as
out
long
this
as...
hole. You know, we gotta make sure we get the perfect shots when we out there, so. That's good. Hey man, we are done. That quick, that was pretty quick, man. We came out, we shot some shit. We came out this bit, we shot some good footage, you know what I'm saying? Hey, that boy slid, you know what I'm saying? That boy dude was sliding, you know what I'm saying? So, hey, I love the rain.
I ain't do too much.
Yeah, I love the rain, man, because we could, ain't no wasting no tires, ain't too much rubber being burnt. Yeah. We were safe in a controlled environment, Mexico. No kids, no cops, no cars, no families driving around and shit. So, hey, we was good, man. We had a good time. It was cold as hell, though. I'll tell you that. That motherfucker was cold. My lip probably been dry half these videos, but that shit was straight. Woo! That would need to warm up. It definitely need to warm up out here. He still ain't washing shit. Look, I still got the Send News on the back. Still ain't. Damn, my right nut a little big, but still. Damn. I'm about to help that boy Brando out, boy. Look, look, look. I'm about to help that motherfucker out. Boy, he don't know. Oh, Jay, hey, when you see this video, my bad, bro. I'm just helping your ass out. I'm helping your ass out, bro.
Yeah, he need it, bro.
The bottom about to be clean as hell.
He need it, bro.
Damn, man.
Hey, that made me want to get a purple wrap, bro.
Bro, that's purple.
Look at this motherfucker. Gas station pizza. Nigga about to be taking a doodle all night.
Hey, man.
Let's see what that boy got. Hey,
when you go to racetrack, you gotta get your Gatorade. Nipple top only. Nipple top only.
Nah. Hey,
You gotta go Funyuns too.
Hey.
Most importantly, you gotta
open
get your
that
pizza.
dry shit. That bitch been there since 3 p.m. Open it up.
And to finesse their ass, you double it. So they think it's one, but it's really two. Come on, man. Put your own game. You gotta like the video now, bro.
Damn. Hey, racetrack, if you press charges, I'll send you the video and I get free gas for a year, nigga. Damn. Hey, that's a good one though. I'm gonna do that shit.
I never thought about that.
Yeah. I gotta do that. Where the empty box at? He put the box back down. That boy got an all meat pizza, boy. He's a meat eater. Meat eater. Meat eater. I feel you, bro. And hey, pink socks.
Breast cancer month, bro.
That boy, breast cancer. Yeah.
Breast cancer month. Come on now.
Yeah. I bet he roll that shit down them ankles. Ashy. Yeah. Like you said, bro, breast cancer. What about dick cancer? You gotta support.
Stop it. Get some help.
Wait, Paul, wait a minute.
Yeah, hey, I see this right here. What he's saying, right? You said
I can
edit.
I can edit all that shit out. I can edit all that shit out.
Face clean, I ain't gotta hide, nigga, I'm gon' slide. If it's pressure, if it's tech, you could bet I'm gon' slide. Young Haitian, I won't fight my pride, nigga, I'm gon' slide. Whatever the vibe, you just be outside, nigga, I'm gon' slide. Slide, nigga, 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 slide, nigga. Face clean, I ain't gotta hide, nigga, I'm gon' slide. If it's pressure, if it's tech, you could bet I'm gon' slide. Young Haitian, I won't fight my pride, nigga, I'm gon' slide. Whatever the vibe, you just be outside, nigga, I'm gon' slide. Hey, lit as fuck, whole city up, Tampa been bout them bucks. They won't smoke, I ain't no crab, nigga, I'ma fire you up. Nice guy and the bad guy, I'm a fucking asshole. I got sticks with them 100 rounds, endless ammo. You would think it was his birthday, lit him like a candle. I was plotting on the Benz, I caught my son a Lambo. I be sliding under pressure, I'm cautious.